Want to wow everyone this Christmas without spending a lot of time? Well, stick with me because I have some easy gift and wrapping ideas for you. So let's go. If you're looking for the cutest way to wrap kids' gifts this year for maybe your kiddos, grandkids, or even for a classroom secret Santa, try this idea. I really like these craft bags because they're neutral and you can personalize them in so many different ways. The ones I picked up are off of Amazon and I'll link them for you down below. You can also get them in a bunch of different sizes. You're also going to need some wiggly eyes from Dollar Tree and some pom-poms, especially a red one, and then some candy canes from Dollar Tree. This is so easy to put together. Glue on the eyes and a pom-pom for the nose. And then for some cute little antlers, put some glue on one side of your candy cane and put it on the inside of your bag. And then open up your bag, put your gift inside. And a hack I like to do anytime I'm putting tissue paper into a gift bag is you want to actually stagger your paper. So I'm gonna place one of the sheets down, and then with the next one, I'll kind of put it down catty corner, and I'm gonna put 4 pieces of tissue paper down. Then when you go to pick it up, pull it from the middle, and it's going to make all of the tissue paper look really cute, and then you're just gonna place it straight down into your package. I have the best gift tag idea that you can do this year on your presents. You guys know I love creating photo ornaments. Anytime I can use a photo, it's just one of my favorites. So go back through some of your old photos of your kids, of your family members. I actually decided to find old pictures from when my kids were little at Christmas. You could also go with funny pictures. I'm gonna print them out just on 4x6 photo prints. Then all you're gonna do is cut the picture of your kids out, and you can either glue them onto your packages, tape them on there. I think this would be such a fun idea. Maybe if you have older kids, find some pictures from when they were younger, put them on their packages instead of labeling them. Now you could definitely just tape them onto your packages. If you have a gift bag like I do, cut out your photos and then use your hole puncher to put a hole at the top, and then you can use some twine to add it on your gift bag, put in fun elements like greenery or ornaments or whatever you like. Have you ever had a bunch of little presents for somebody, but on their own, they don't make a huge statement? Consider putting them together in a gift basket. Every year, my girls love beauty items, so I wanted to put together a beauty gift basket. And another hack, it saves a ton of time because you're not having to wrap items individually. You can put them all together in one gift. You can get an inexpensive basket like this one from Dollar Tree. I like to put in some filler to start with, so I'm just gonna add in this basket filler that you can pick up at Walmart, but really you could get it at any store. Then whenever you place your items inside, you want to put your larger items in the back, or the taller items, and then put the smaller items in the front. Move your items around till you're happy with them, and then from there you may need to add in some additional basket filler. Here's a trick you can do to get a really full bow for your basket without spending any time. You want to get that really wide ribbon. You can pick this up at Dollar Tree or most stores. Wrap a large piece around your gift basket, tie a knot, and then you're going to create your bow. Because it's a wide ribbon, it's going to automatically create this really full bow that you didn't have to spend a lot of time on. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Christmas. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on ribbon, consider using yarn that you already have in your craft room. Check out all this yarn I had in my craft room. I started by pulling out 6 different yarns that I thought would work well together on my packages. You're gonna cut off a really long piece of one of the yarns to create a pom-pom. And then I just continued with the other yarns, creating a long piece that was the same size. Next, to create your pom-pom, you're gonna take all of your pieces of yarn and start wrapping them around your hand. You're gonna cut off another piece of yarn and you're gonna wrap it around the middle of all the pieces you wound up together and just tie it off in a double knot. To make sure it has a nice round shape, just cut off the edges. Now, let me show you how to add this to a package. I love doing these craft paper packages. They work great. Just wrap up your present like you would normally. Next, we're going to get some long pieces of yarn again. We're gonna start on the front, bringing it to the back, twisting it, and then bringing it back to the front side. Then you're gonna tie it in a double knot. Now you're gonna cut off all of the yarn except for one piece on either side because you need something to tie your pom-pom on with. Place your pom-pom in the middle, then you're gonna tie it off with a double knot and then cut off that excess string. How adorable is this? And I didn't have to spend any money because I already had this yarn on hand.
Here's a hack to organize all that ribbon you may have for your gifts. Start off with the wood block. You can pick this up at Dollar Tree. I also have a pack of dowel rods from Dollar Tree. You're only gonna need one unless you're making more. Then you're going to drill a hole into your wood block. And then you're gonna place your dowel rod on the wood block. Now to hold it securely in place, you're gonna add some E6000 to the bottom of your dowel rod. Now let this dry for several hours. Once it's completely dry, this is gonna make the perfect stand to put all your ribbon on. And then you can just keep this sitting next to you while you're wrapping presents.
Sometimes you want a fun way to wrap a gift card. So consider this idea. Get one of these boxes from Dollar Tree that's a little higher up. You're gonna use a box cutter to cut all 4 corners of your box. Whoever you're giving this gift to, grab their favorite candy and you're gonna hot glue it to the side of your package. You're also going to need something to go inside. I found this candle holder, which seemed to be the perfect size for fitting in a gift card. Put a candle holder in the middle, and I added a little bit of candy to the bottom and then added in my gift card. And then since this has a lid, you can pull up the sides and then put the lid on top. Now you can add twine to this as you want, but it's just a fun way that when they open the gift, the sides are gonna come down. Now, if you don't want to wrap your presents at all, I have a hack for you. Consider getting craft paper boxes. They already look great and you don't have to wrap them. Just put your gift inside and add a little bit of tape to the back. Now let me show you a fun ribbon trick you can do on this package. You want to use a ribbon that looks great on the front and the back. So I had this satin red ribbon that I thought would work perfectly. You're going to start by hot gluing it at the top where it's hanging over the top of your package just a little bit. Now you're gonna angle the ribbon to one side and hot glue. Now repeat going to the other side. You're gonna continue going down your package a little further each time and hot gluing in place until you get to the bottom. You wanna hot glue at the bottom and cut off any excess. How cute is this tree on this package? Do you ever wonder what to do with all of those leftover Christmas cards? You just hate to throw them away. An idea you could try is to turn them into gift tags for your packages. Gather your Christmas cards from a previous year and you want to cut out something interesting on those cards. So what I did was I basically made long rectangles of where I thought something was interesting. I cut the edges kind of at a slant at the top. And then use your hole puncher to put a hole at the top. Let me show you how this looks on a package. So I had one package that I wrapped in a solid red paper. I'm also going to add a thick gold ribbon. And I'll use a little bit of twine to add the label to this package. I have a hack for you to make wrapping presents even easier. Don't bother with even using gift tags. Get a gold or silver paint pen and you can write the names directly on your packages. This saves a ton of time. Did you know that Dollar Tree also has these smaller gift boxes that you can pick up? You can get 5 in a pack. They're so cute. And if you want to add candy, you could just line the bottom with your candy and then put in whatever your gift is. You can just add a little tape at the bottom. If you're gonna be gifting any books this year, I have a wrapping technique you can try out. If you have double-sided wrapping paper, that tends to work best. I'll link to my double-sided wrapping paper down in the description box. So you're gonna cut your paper down to size. Then you're gonna wrap over one side and tuck it under. You're gonna fold the other side down at an angle and then wrap it around and tape it in place. You're gonna tuck the bottom edge in and tape on the bottom and then do the same thing on the top. You've created a little area where you can add in a bookmark, which is perfect for your book gift. Now, if you have a small gift, but you want to gift it and make it be a very memorable gift, I have a cute idea for you. You're going to use a gift card box from Dollar Tree. And for this, I'm going to be using the lid, not the bottom portion. So we're going to make a sleigh using some larger and smaller candy canes. I'm going to hot glue 2 large candy canes to the bottom of my sleigh. And then I'll put 2 small ones on the back. I'm gonna be using a silver Sharpie to put a personalized message on the sides. Then you could fill this whatever you like. I'm gonna be adding in some small ornaments with some faux snow. And then set your gift on top. All right, it's your turn to vote. Let me know which of these ideas was your favorite. I love knowing your opinion. And make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.